Hey, good morning. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paul Taylor. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. If you've been following along on this project, we are out here on Dustin Williams Legends Media Garage build. We finally got the green light to put this concrete down. So we got here this morning. It's the 29th of January. It's a Saturday morning. We got here about 6 a.m. and we got 90 yards of concrete we're pouring. We're almost done pouring out the foundation right now. But yeah, things are starting to happen now for Dustin and Tim. We're excited for those guys over at the Legends Media Group, and we're getting a slab down for them. So we're gonna walk around, take a look what's happening. All the guys are here. You can see behind me, we've got the boom truck here, which was challenging, by the way, because we have all these power lines up there. You can see them. We have all these power lines up above, so we had to maneuver this truck around. But yeah, we're almost done pouring this thing out. You know, it's been about 6 months since we finished the grading on this, but we had a lot of problems with the city and the water district fire department, and I'm going to cover every bit of that next week in a video. I'm going to do a whole entire video on the issues that we ran into with the city here for this project, and we solved all of it, right? Giant hurdles, navigating the rough waters of building in California and dealing with this city, the worst ever. And we're going to cover that in another video so I can go over every bit of it. But right now, let's walk around and take a look at what's happening here. And like I said, you guys give a thumbs up to Dustin Williams and those guys, right? They bring you guys awesome content. And now they're going to be able to bring you even better content when they have their own shop. So we're going to finish this slab today. We're going to get this garage up. So let's walk around and take a look at what's happening. So what we did was we poured all the footings first. If you follow my Instagram page, I covered that this morning. We poured all the footings first. We put in some plumbing for future. So there's a spot out there for a toilet. And because that's not going in right now, but that's for future, and we stubbed it out right here and everything. And then the electrical panel is going to go right here. All that's going to run down from the top of the hill up there. If you followed my channel when I did the remodel for Dustin and Tiana, and then I did the new septic system, we ran electrical conduit up there by the tank, and we ran water and all that so it can come down here and feed this shop. But right now, these guys are almost poured out. You know, they've been running the bull float over this. You'll see that right over here. Right now they're screeding the concrete. You can see Dominic here, if you've been following my channel, this Dominic. He's screeding this all out. And we've got our big boom truck here pouring. But yeah, this is happening out here today. Finally getting this thing done. So that's what's taking place out here today for the Legends Media Group. You know, like I said, we've been waiting a long time on this project. If you guys follow my channel, right here on my YouTube page, on my YouTube channel, I built a 21,000 square foot house, finished a 4,000 square foot, started a 15,000 square foot, all in the time since we started grading the lot on this project. Which, you know, like I said, we went through some ridiculous nonsense, and you know, I used over 40 years of building experience to pretty much hand it to the city and the fire department and the water district. So we finally got the green light, so it's happening. So we're gonna focus on the positive today, right? Not any of the negative. I'll cover that next week. We're gonna focus on the positive, get this foundation down for Dustin and Tiana finally, so they can move forward with their Legends Media Garage build. So hopefully you guys will subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and go down right now and give us a thumbs up on our video if you wouldn't mind. It just helps YouTube recommend our video to other people. Follow us on our Instagram page at TCI Development. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy our products that we're putting out. And hopefully you can learn something by watching this project that'll help you with your project. Have an awesome day.